So one of my followers asked if I would get this fragrance. So I added it to my list, and then I found a good deal for it over on Joma Shop. So when I got my newest Xerjoff, hasn't been mailed yet, this was shipped to me. So let's unbox it. I absolutely know nothing about this fragrance, except that I'm having a really hard time getting this plastic open. There we go. Maybe. So the fragrance is Lionel Richie's Hello. I guess it's based off of a song that he did. I actually know very little about Lionel Richie, except his daughter was on that show with Paris Hilton. That's the extent of it. And that's a pity because he's actually a really accomplished singer, performer, really cool dude, it seems like. So I should look into it. But here is the box. Honestly, I kind of like the box. It's got R's all over it. I don't know if you can see that. I'll try and get it to where you can see. But this feels like a little bit more of like an upgraded, I don't want to say cheaper box, but just like, it doesn't feel like a niche box. It feels really nice though. Oh man, can I open this? Really having a hard time with this. Well, nothing to do but break the box. All right. There we go. Okay. This is taking a lot longer than I thought it was going to take. Ooh. Well, hello. Oh, this feels nice. Looks really cool. Check that out. Again, I know nothing about this fragrance. I don't know anything about the notes, what it smells like. You can see through the bottle, so you can actually check your fragrance level. I like that. I love the design. Oh, golly. There we go. Cap is just a basic plastic cap, very light, nothing special. Does have a R on top, keeping up with the whole appearance. I like it. Let's see. On the bottom, it's an eau de toilette. Sweet. All right, let's do this. Let's spray it on the box. At least that way the box will have done something besides keep me from opening it. Or getting to the fragrance, I should say. Oh, crud. Come on, cap. Why did I put the cap back on? There we go. Okay. Just twist the atomizer around. There you are. Spray. It came pre-sprayed or prepped. I don't like that, but whatever. Whatever. Is what it is. Okay, so it's very fresh. Smells very similar to like your Bleu de Chanel type fresh fragrance. It's that just really appealing. Ladies will love it. Easy to wear, fresh fragrance, perfect for the summer. Spring when it warms up, fall when it's still warm. Yeah, I swear it smells just like Bleu de Chanel. In fact, let me get my Bleu de Chanel real quick. All right, so I have a big boy Bleu de Chanel. Let's see if it smells the same. Not exactly the same. Same family. Tell you what, I'm gonna spray it onto the box, but I'll go down. Oh, I love Bleu de Chanel's. Chanel does a great job with just everything. So like the atomizer, pressurized, sprays amazing. Cap's magnetic. It's just great design. I love Chanel. So not exactly the same, actually. In fact, I would say Chanel takes more of a different route to its freshness than this does. And now, one second. If it is this, I'm going to be really upset because I should have guessed that right away. Oh, shoot. Yeah, it's closer to Dylan Blue. Check out Chanel. Like it, I don't know if you can see that. Like it blasted all over the box. Way to go, Chanel. Way to go. For science. Yeah, it made the box. We're good. Yeah, this is close to Dylan Blue. It's not, so again, I would not say this is a one-to-one clone. This is not, it's more like inspired by. So like it takes freshness from like the blue fragrances and makes its own thing. I will say though, for packaging, this is by far the best looking one. Like, holy cow. I could totally see myself throwing this in a day trip bag or whatever. And if anyone saw it, they'd be like, whoa, that's a cool looking bottle. Yes, yes it is. I like it. So for packaging, way to go. Atomizer is okay, not the greatest. I don't know about longevity. I don't know about performance or sillage. This is first impressions from unboxing it. So I will definitely be giving this a wear this spring to see what I think about it, and maybe even the summer. So look for a follow-up video where I can talk more in detail and in depth about this fragrance here, Hello by Lionel Richie. So we'll see. But so far, I like it. It does smell interesting enough. I don't think it's redundant. Like, if you have Dylan Blue, don't ever get this. Now, are they very similar? Yes. So you'll have to decide if it's right for your collection if you have both. But I gotta say, from packaging, this is gonna look really good on the shelf. So really excited to add this. All right, this is Nubs Fragrance. Thank you so much for following the channel. Talk to you soon.